Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did that surfing video and how I trained for it, because I'm so totally good. It's on CSGO, community server browser, internet, just type in surf down there, not search, surf, it should be Surf Utopia. I have it in my favorites. It's open all day, and then pick any team, it doesn't matter. And then if you want a different type of knife, you can just press Y and then type in knife. Gives you this little GUI. 9 for next. 8 for next and stuff like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you how to surf. Basically, if you're on the right side, hold down A and use your mouse to surf. If you're on the left side, hold down D and use your mouse to surf. And just try to land on every platform. But on these turns, hold A if you're on the left, hold D if you're on the right. Or whatever direction it's turning. And then if you want to jump like that, then you just do that by going left and up if you're on the right really quickly, or right then up really quickly if you're on the left. So yeah, try that. I can get really far on this map. And by the way, try after you leap off of one of the platforms. Okay, let me restart to show you. When you start at the very top, not that top. Start at the very top, and then go all the way to the bottom to gain speed. And then when you go in the air like that, try to land on the top and then go back to the bottom. That's how you gain speed. And if you touch any platforms, like if you touch the triangle instead of landing on there, or if you hit the ground, then you die. So yeah. The farthest I've gone is actually crossing the mid, finishing that little circle section, and then the farthest I can get is the second jail mid. So yeah. I've never finished the map.